I am Srishti Verma and I am the student of BBA. Today I am going to present my video on. So here we start.
Intro. The term multiplier is usually used in reference to the relationship between government spending and total national income. Multipliers are also used in explaining fractional reserve banking, known as the deposit multiplier. Multiplier process. The multiplier effect process. If asked to do so, explain the process that lies behind the multiplier effect, focusing on the extra demand and incomes created. Suppose a new house building project injects Euro 200 million of extra demand and output in the economy. Many businesses benefit directly, including building supply industries, architects, etc. Building new houses generates a new flow of factor incomes, including wages and profit. Will the extra income stay inside the circular flow of income and spending? If so, the multiplier effect is likely to be strong and the resultant impact on GDP quite larger. The next one, the multiplier effect. Every time there is an injection of new demand into the circular flow of income, there is likely to be a multiplier effect. This is because an injection of extra income leads to more spending, which creates more income, and so on. The multiplier effect refers to the increase in final income arising from any injection of spending. The journal formula to calculate the multiplier uses marginal propensities. The multiplier uses marginal propensities, which is 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So, the multiplier is inversely related to MPC. So, the next, applying the multiplier effect. The multiplier concept can be used in a situation where there is a new injection into an economy. When the government funds building of a new motorway, when there is an increase in exports abroad, when there is a reduction in interest rates or taxes rates, or when the exchange rate falls. There are many. Next, we come to the multiplier effect in four-sector economy. A four-sector model of economy includes households, businesses, government, and foreign trade. In four-sector economy, exports are the injections in the national income, while import act as leakages for outflow of national income. Export function. The growth of any economy and distribution of income and wealth in a country are directly associated with exports. Exports play a crucial role in internal trade and economic stability of a country. Moreover, it helps in increasing foreign exchange reserves in a country. The exports of a country are dependent on various factors. Some of these factors are as follows. First one, the prices of domestic goods as compared to prices of goods in importing countries. Trade and tariff policies of importing countries. Export subsidies. Income elasticity for import goods in importing countries. Levels of imports by the domestic country. There are some import function. First one, import prices in relation to domestic prices, domestic tariffs level, domestic trade policy, income elasticity of imports, income levels, and lastly, export levels. The import function would be considered that M is equals to M bar plus GY, where Y is our income. After solving this, we get Y plus delta Y is equals to 1 upon 1 minus B plus G, in bracket a minus b t plus I bar plus g bar plus x minus m bar bracket close plus 1 upon 1 minus b plus g into delta x, where our y is our income, t is our taxes, I is the income, g is the government, and x minus m is the net exports. In case if b is equals to g, then the foreign trade multiplier is equals to the 1. Foreign trade multiplier with tax function. If tax is added into the equation 8th, so in lastly, the formula for foreign trade multiplier with tax function would be as follows, that is delta y upon delta x is equals to 1 upon 1 minus b into 1 minus t plus g. So thank you so much for your attention, and I hope you get this point. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.